So the major problem we face in sharp turns is that both the cars cannot see the upcoming vehicle from the other side. This will cause collision and accident. So the solution for this problem is we have made a vehicle alert system which will alert the vehicles from each side. Let me tell you how it works. This is the pressure pipe. When pressure is applied on it, you can see here the magnet is going up and down. The magnet will on the reed switch and the reed switch will on the alerting light on the other side. Likewise, if pressure is applied on the other side, it will on the alerting light on this side, which will alert both the vehicle drivers to be careful or to slow down. Wait, please. As you can see, when pressure is applied, the alerting light will on. This will prevent collisions or any accident. So let me explain the function of this alert system. So when a force is applied on the pressure pipe, it will let the magnet inside the pipe go upward and downward. And if the pressure is applied it continuously, then also the magnet will eventually come down due to gravity. So the main purpose of the magnet is to activate the reed switch or magnetic switch. And reed switch only activates when a magnetic force is applied near it or comes under contact. And the reed switch will activate the alerting light on the other side. Likewise, it will the other side will be the same. And we have connected this side battery and the reed switch to the other side, and the other side reed switch and battery to this side. So this side will activate the other side and the other side will activate this side. And it is just a prototype, that's why the light is very not so much powerful. So the main purpose of this system is to prevent collisions and accidents in sharp turns, and I think it is very economical, low budget.
In this project, we have used components such as pipe, bolt, battery, and inside the pipe we fill water and magnet. And outermost cover of pipe we connect reed switch or magnetic switch.